Hear the sound, hear the sound, yeah. Look at me now. Hear the sound, hear the sound. You know what that means. Yeah, I'm off in this new path, and the new path, and no, I can't choose this girl. She just like, yeah, yeah, a cricket. I'm myself. I'm gonna be the helper because no, I just wanted to help her, but she just wanna pout and scream and all that stuff. Wanna be in the mood, that's what she's gonna be. That's what she is. She's in the mood. Now, I don't know why you get in my face tonight. Tell me that I cheated and not rhyme another night. Yeah, 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 yeah. Living wreck. I'ma wreck it all the night because I know I'ma wreck it. This one of a kind because I know I'm gonna shoot the devil with a 2 pistol in range because I know it's like a gun range. Oh wait, he's already dead. Yeah, he's already dead. Yeah, this is my time. I'm gonna put it on the front line because I know you heard it, and now I can't trust you because no, my heart can't take this no more. There's no more the pain, and no more the pain, no more the choosing, no more the wrecking, my losing. This is my new whip, I'm riding till I die without you, so I could form up, I don't know why, I'm gonna be like a Call of Duty in a war. Yeah, it's like World War III in the first, dear love, I know everything that hurt me, because dear, I know I loved you, but I don't know why you wanna make the proof, I'm gonna give you the proof, I give you one kiss on the cheek, and I know it's gonna be a trust and untrust, and you wanna make me feel like I have kissed a lot of girls before, and I can kiss better than that. And I'm okay, I'm a good rapper, and I know it's gonna be all good. I kiss more than better than you. I can be a rhyme, I can be a Superman, but I can't be your destiny. Yeah, this is my destiny. I don't know why. Whipping the storm because I know I'm a horror movie. Now action living, cracking up these jokes. They block them jokes because I know I'm not gonna be with you, girl, because I know I'd rather be with my real girl, like, you know, I don't want to name her name because I'd rather be with her instead of Becky, and I know she's gonna be trash. I don't even need her. I should be with someone right because I know the palm crying all time. Hold up, wait a minute.